Hi guys, this is Scott with TinyPilot, and I'm excited to show off the new alpha release of our TinyPilot Dashboard software. The TinyPilot Dashboard is a self-hosted dashboard for monitoring and controlling multiple TinyPilot devices from a single screen. It's going to run locally on your own hardware in a Docker container. There's no cloud account, no telemetry. However you connect to your devices currently is how they will connect to the dashboard. One thing to keep in mind related to security: this is designed to live inside a network perimeter you already trust. There's no authentication of inbound users, and it does not implement CSRF protection on its API. So the deployment boundary, that is the security boundary. So run it on a LAN that you trust, run it inside a perimeter VPN that you trust, or run it using a zero trust overlay such as Tailscale. All right, so to get started, we'll go ahead and download the code from GitHub. Once that's downloaded, we will open our terminal. Give the proper command to compose in Docker. And that's started. Now we're going to go to the local address. And it's going to ask you to add your first device. You're going to want to add a friendly name and the URL you use to reach this device. So this top section is going to show the connected system or the target system that is connected to the TinyPilot. It does require the automation license to be able to get these screenshots. Once you have that attached to the device, you can set the auto refresh time so that it's going to refresh that screenshot every 2 minutes. Then down below, we have the TinyPilot device information. So this is telling you, yes, the device is connected. It's running version 3.0.2 of the software. This is the IP address where you can reach it. Then we go down here and we expand the TinyPilot device info, shows a bit more information about the device, which network interfaces are active, the video settings and resolution and streaming mode, and so forth. But we're going to go ahead and add some more devices. All right, now as you see, we've got the 2 devices loaded here. It's loading that screenshot. Let's give it a moment. And also retrieving the device snapshot here. Okay, we'll go ahead and add a 3rd device. All right, and we set that device populating here, waiting for the screenshot and the device snapshot. There we go. And we're going to add a 4th device. Now, the speed at which the device screenshot and information is retrieved is going to depend on your connection speed to that device. For example, some of these devices are connected over Tailscale. Some of them are on the local area network. So that will determine the speed at which these things come into the dashboard. So we've got 4 devices here now. This is the maximum on a single page. So if we're to add another device, it will end up going onto that next page, and you can navigate to the next page or previous page down here below. Also, we can toggle over to dark mode, just a different look there for the dashboard. So this release is really an alpha build. It's experimental. Right now, we want to get feedback from you, our customers, bug reports, anything that we need to improve as we bring this further down the development pipeline and improve it before a full beta release and then production release.